Have you ever had your wash basin rough and your bathtub lost its shine? Or maybe you have had enough of fighting limescale and rust in your home? If so, use our Rust and Limescale Buster. Look how easy it is to use. All you have to do is apply it on a dirty surface. See how its dense formula covers it tightly. Leave the gel for a few minutes for its active ingredients to work. Then wipe with the sponge, rinse with water, wipe dry and it's ready. From now on you can enjoy shiny and clean bathroom fittings again. What will make you not exchange it for any other? 100% of respondents confirmed that the thick, active gel tightly covers the cleaned surface and restores its shine. Instantly removes limescale. That was confirmed by 96% of respondents. Thanks to the unique formula, it protects surfaces against new dirt deposits and also leaves a beautiful floral and fruity aroma thanks to the composition of original French fragrance oils. What can you clean it with? Taps, wash basins, bathtubs, floors and walls made of tiles. In case of heavy dirt, it is worth using it before applying Shower Expert. Discover our functional cosmetics and home cleaning products with unique recipes. They not only work and clean effectively, but also save your time.